Hey everybody, so welcome to the channel. If you haven't, please like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. There's breaking news coming out of Belgorod, Russia. Ukraine just did an airstrike on an oil depot there, and it's on fire. Sorry, I was just sneezing, so my voice sounds terrible. Plus, it's late, and so things may have just gotten a little more real. You might want to buck up on some of your shopping, and I will post the links down below and you can look into it yourself. So yeah, Ukraine just crossed into Russian territory and blew up a oil depot in Belgorod. So that's happening. So we'll see where this goes. I don't think blowing up oil depots, given it seems there's a lot of oil fighting going on, this could be a problem. So make sure you've got everything you need and prepare for whatever's going to come. I think things might get kicked up a notch here. So just wanted to let you all know. You all take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.